This is the first thing I saw when I came into the house on recruitment, and this is my favorite place to spend quality time with my sisters. Come on downstairs with us. Welcome to our living and dining room in the house. One of my personal favorite memories of being here was bid day. On bid day, we got to come into the house and be greeted by so many amazing girls who now are our sisters, and it was just the most amazing time ever.
We were able to learn so much about not only people in our grade, but other girls in the sorority, and it was the best thing ever.
Welcome to our chapter room. In previous years, we've met here every Sunday to meet as a sorority for chapter, but my favorite memory in chapter room is practicing for Anchor Splash.
During Anchor Splash practice, we would spend countless hours in this room just trying to practice as a pledge class, and we came together and showed off all of our hard work during DG's philanthropy event, Anchor Splash.
My favorite memory in our kitchen was our sophomore year when a lot of us were having a really hard week. We decided to come down and make dinner together to be together and support our sisters.
Yeah, it was really nice to be in the kitchen with all my sisters, especially since as an underclassman you don't really have access to a clean kitchen. We always come down here and cook. It's super nice.
One of my favorite memories at the house was 2 weeks after I first joined the chapter. A few of us freshmen and juniors got dinner and ate it here at the house. It was a great way for us to get to know the new juniors and get to know our pledge class better.
Yeah, and the house is a great way to get away from campus, almost like the home away from home, and just doing our homework with our sisters and doing laundry and using the kitchen.
Our chapter house is a really special place because it's a place where we can all come together. Every Sunday we have our chapter meetings, and it's great to see everyone and finishes up our weekend nicely. My personal favorite memory at the house is getting my big for our big little reveal. We took these cute little Polaroid pictures, and then we had to shake them until we could turn around and see who our big was.
Our philanthropy is Read, Lead, Achieve, and it works to combat child illiteracy.
And unfortunately, we weren't able to have our philanthropy event this semester, which is Pi Phi Palooza, which is just a big kickball tournament, and a lot of other Greek-like organizations participate, and just other Denison organizations too, and it's really fun. And hopefully we're able to have our spring philanthropy event, which is Pi Phi Pasta Fest, which is just a big dinner with pasta and garlic knots, and yeah, really fun.
So another aspect of our philanthropy is CAR, which is Champions Our Readers. So pre-COVID times, once a week, a group of us would travel to an elementary school in Newark and help to tutor in math and reading a class of 5th graders. And it was just a really fun way to give back to our community and spend time with our sisters.
This is our porch. And on weekends when it's nice out, some sisters come out here, hang out, do homework, maybe even grill.
Yeah, and this is where we celebrate bid day.
Thank you guys so much for coming.
See you guys soon.
Hopefully in person. Bye!